Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jorge Ramos with Evolve Realty. Beautiful day out. Today we're doing an open house. One of my listings, it's 8837 Rambling Rock. Got some of my colleagues here, Eva Chiou and
Francisco Gonzalez.
Francisco. Okay, yeah, man, beautiful day out. Great time to come check out this beautiful home. It's a 2,100 square foot home on a nice size lot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Huge loft upstairs. Love the area. Right here, IKEA. Right next to IKEA, Uncommons just broke ground. $400 million project. The Bend brought back all their construction equipment. It's gonna be nice location. Eva, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I've lived in Vegas for 7 years, been in real estate for 4, and have 2 little kids. So we're ready to sell some homes and
Right on.
show you around.
She's with Evolve Realty also. What's your contact info? How do they get a hold of you?
Call me at 702-550-2913.
Okay, awesome. And Francisco?
Hey, how's it going? My name is Francisco. Been in Vegas for 10 years. Raising a family out here. It's a beautiful area to raise family. This home is located in a really nice, quiet neighborhood. You could contact me at 702-550-7615.
Okay, right on. What are some of your guys' interests? You like to go hiking, bike riding? There's a lot of stuff to do around here, right? Plenty of parks?
Definitely. Lots of parks, very family oriented. Take the kids walking. There's a lot of trails as well. We're very close to Red Rock, so it's great. Yeah.
Awesome. Hey, Francisco, what can you tell some of our California viewers, people that are looking at this video? Please like, share. From California, you want to know a little bit about the area. What is there good to do around here?
Definitely want to come out here. The nightlife is great out here. Go out to the strip. Lots to do out there. Outside off the strip, restaurants. And a lot of entertainment. Definitely come out here.
Awesome. Yeah, if any of you guys got any questions about this property or you'd love to get some more info, please give us a call. You got their contact info there. I'll go ahead and post that in the comments below. Let's go inside and check out this beautiful home. Coming on in, 2,100 square foot. Nice little covered porch area. You walk on in. Beautiful staircase going in. Again, this property was freshly painted. Beautiful texture. It's got a powder here to the left. Step down into the living. A lot of natural light coming in. Very large living room area with the ceiling fan. It's got a little nook here. Use it as a computer desk, den. As you walk into the formal dining to the left here, beautiful slider off there to the left. Nice size kitchen, ton of counter space. If you like to cook, man, this is the home for you. You see all these appliances? All the appliances are included in the home. This has a 2-car attached garage. You got a gas range there. All the cabinets here are in great shape. Could put a nice little backsplash on there, maybe some stainless steel bar pools, and you'll be good to go. As we head back, the front of the home. Heading up the stairway there, you've got vaulted ceilings, ton of space. We're heading upstairs here. Huge loft. You could put a second living room up here, pool table, make it a game room. Great separation from the kids if you've got a nice family. You got your own space up here. You got the French doors here, washer, dryer included. Head to the left here. We've got bedroom 1. Great size bedroom with the closet there. We've got bedroom 2. Nice size closet there. This thing's move-in ready. So the hall bath here. Double sinks. Shower tub combo there. Plenty of storage in the home. Got some nice storage there, linen closet. As we head into the master, ton of natural light, vaulted ceilings in the master. You've got a ceiling fan there. Huge room, move-in ready. You got a nice walk-in closet here. Wow, ton of space there. Double sinks in the master. Shower tub combo with the restroom there to the left. Again, my name is Jorge Ramos with Evolve Realty. If you've got any questions about this property, if you're thinking about buying, selling, I'd love to help you out. Please give me a call. My phone number is 702-588-4800. Get out and enjoy this beautiful day. Come by, check us out. Thank you so much.